Okay, y'all, let's get into the Nice portion of the 3-week Europe trip that I'm on right now, on like a little tour of sorts. I was in Nice for about 3 days. This is us in Rome getting ready to board our EasyJet flight to Nice. The flight was about 60 euros per person. It did not include any type of baggage at all. I had to add the actual check bag and the cabin bag. And you're allowed a personal bag or whatever. So we spent about 3 days in Nice. However, I did not account for the jet lag. And the jet lag definitely kicked our ass this time. And when you land anywhere in Europe, there's going to be bread galore. Okay, it's going to be bread, paninis, croissants, any type of bread. I get a lot of comments and DMs about, and I don't know if they're shady or if people just really are obtuse or just really want to know how I stay in shape and I eat the way that I eat. And I wouldn't consider myself super in shape. I'm still working on my first pull-up. I'm halfway there. I have a long way to go. But I am in a visual shape that a lot of people would like to be in. I will admit that. I work out. I do not miss more than 3 days off from working out. Neither should you. I post my workout videos. They are not thirst traps. They are meant to be motivation. You're choosing to view them as a thirst trap while you sit on the couch and complain about what I eat. Go look in the mirror right now and say, hey, when is the last time you worked out? And if it's been a long time, don't ask me why the fuck I eat what I eat. Bitch, go work out. Stop fucking asking me that. If you watch this video, you're going to see multiple salads and green juices, okay? I'm going to post more of that because I realize that I do post the fun food a lot. Wow, the timing is impeccable for this. So I passed by a fried chicken spot in France. I obviously had to try it out because what the fuck, all right? It had absolutely no seasoning on there. By the way, this is a scene from Romeo and Juliet, one of my favorite movies. And apparently they're showing it in Nice. I did not make it. I was kind of sad about that. That is absolutely one of my favorite stories, love stories of all time. William Shakespeare, Romeo and Juliet. Claire Danes and Leonardo DiCaprio did an excellent job remaking that movie. I suggest you go watch it and let me know if you like it. Back to the fried chicken. It had no seasoning and it was still good as fuck. It was still good. And if you are a parent, specifically a boy mom, you want to purchase things while you're traveling at last. And even though my son is grown, look at how handsome he is. Even though he's grown, I still purchase things that last. I don't purchase something that's for, we here for a long time, not a good time, unfortunately. So I went and got me a salad, and I got his metabolism is still strong. Judge your mama, God damn it. But anyway, we went on 2 tours this day. They were both less than 40 euros a piece. I got them on TripAdvisor. TripAdvisor is my go-to for any type of tour, even if I just want to know what is there to do in this city. Any city that I go to, I start off on TripAdvisor. And I know there are other websites, and they're probably amazing. I know that my cousin uses Get Your Guide, and they are just a few dollars cheaper. And apparently she has all the time in the world. She ain't got no kids, so she has all the time in the world to shop around. I don't have that kind of time. And that's why I like traveling with people that don't have kids, because they do shop around. But as for me and the advice that I'm going to give you, I go to TripAdvisor. I trust their reviews. They're from real people. I trust the price. I don't try to argue their price down. I don't try to shop around. I see something I like that fits my personality. And I pick things like a boat tour because they look great aesthetically for your pictures, okay? As you can see, there's a lot of people on this boat, and we're watching all the rich people pass by on their yachts. That's fine. That's fine. I'm knock on wood. I'm going to manifest me a yacht one day. However, today I do not have one. I got this tour, and all the drinks came separately. If you don't drink, that's even less money to spend. They gave me a free glass of champagne because I did not feel like paying for drinks. And they were like, well, you need a drink for your picture. They gave me one. Great tour. I will post the links for both of the yacht tour and the walking tour that I did. and Nice friends. So I mentioned earlier that we only had 3 days in Nice. That was the vacation with my son portion of my vacation. My son is grown now and he has his own thing to do. I have my own thing to do. I decided, why not take a vacation together while we both have the time on the front end. Here's another salad. I don't see you eat no salad. But I decided to take a vacation. And there's a bit of regret there. But it's also time spent with my son, so I'll never regret time spent with my son. However, I was not thinking about how tired we would be. So with that being said, I didn't do like the tour to Monaco like we should have. Like, I didn't do Nice how we should have done Nice, you know. And there was just a little regret there. I did add in a restaurant there. I will post the name of it below. It was in the Nice Central area. The risotto was amazing, and I enjoyed the wine there, and the owner was absolutely amazing. She was very friendly, and I love it when people enjoy being a restaurant owner in Europe. You get the best experience when they absolutely enjoy it. So I had to add this in here. I'm gonna leave y'all on a cliffhanger because I thought it would be easy to get a train to the Tuscany region, and it is. However, I booked my flight and there was no train that would make it back to Rome for me to make my flight. And this is me finding that out in real time. So I had to back my ass up and go rent a car. And I'm going to leave y'all on that cliffhanger. See y'all next time.